Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two no-code AI build-out tools, which is Bubble AI and Adalo. So I'm just quickly going to dive into this AI building website to ever decide which of these can be a best game changer for you. So let's get started. Talking about Bubble AI. Bubble AI is perfect for creators who want full control over their app design, database, and workflow without coding. It's powerful and scalable, ideal for building complex web apps. However, it has a steeper learning curve and doesn't create native mobile apps easily. So talking about Adalo, on the other hand, is beginner friendly with an intuitive drag and drop builder for both web and mobile apps. It's great for quick projects that can feel limited for larger data heavy apps. So in conclusion, Bubble AI wins for flexibility and power, while Adalo wins for simplicity and speed, and just a little slight difference between the two. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.